Ka University of Science Technology Meghalaya ni USTM kalakantat ye jingkynthoh ba jingte ki bedang ya chakmat haba ka campus jongka kire ga dawba jong ka jingshri badang shen hanong ba Guwahati. Haba pinsha ya kani ki samla puli bet ki board pinya jong ka USTM ki lo ong ba UCM ka Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma ula shukno bakla ba ka jingshri ha Guwahati kare namar ki jingte ha ka jaka puli jong ka USTM. Ke USTM ka dan habaru dua Jorabat Haribhoi district ke bajengai hadu 100 km tam na Guwahati.
Ke basdang hi marsen yo i ka tu ka jingkynthoh ka kapen ketak bahamo ya ka jingsngo ka jungi namar ba ha ka baningkong ka kam amdai ba ka ketak namar ba ngapule hang ni ngasngo ba ka ketak engi namar bilong kitrai muluk kani ka jaka ni ka dan po Meghalaya ka jungi bat ngasngo ba ka kynthoh kumta habo uong ya kani ka jaka ba ka dan hang ni ka bamut ba ka de ka jaka lom ni sungthu ru kai ka jingthmu nang ta ka bamut ba ka ka bayat nang ni kalitu chatai tenre haba ngiti ibnya ni sungthu jana hiru ba ka hi barabor haba kayat kangam ba ni sungthu hang ni kan badai namar ka jing bambyang jung ki drain bat ki wei ki facilities ka pelong ya ka bakan ne te ban shim ya ka jingkynthoh ba kita ki allegation ki bawan ra ba kadai nakani ka jaka ka ba pen flood ya te ka jaka hang tai ngasngo ba kolong ka bakla
Menteri Rangba ka Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma dangshen ulakam bakate ka university kala penlong ya ka flood jihad bat kawanra ya ka jing'e ha ka jingtuj ha ka nongba Guwahati. Halor ka ni ka USTM kala ong ka project jongka ka badi ka medical college padangshna ringkat pat ka sarkar Meghalaya ya ka balakmi de ka company Hosmak India Private ka badan ha Mumbai bat ka company Satsangi Associates New Delhi ki badi ki nong ai jingmut bat pinwan dor ya ka.
Ngatrai ngamnum pedang ya kata ka jing sak keno mo namar bala rafi pej hi ngatrai rafi keno namar ka jing keno ka jong i kalong tang nam ta ka institute ka jong dei dia kalong ka ik babakla ka Assam namar ba kam da dei pumta recently rafi pej namar rafi ya ka campus ka jong i kalong ka green campus dei ngamnum ong ba hoi ba kam dei ni thung pi phinde ya shrum snang recently ru ngidak shudap thung kumba ars pa san pho lai spa kliki medicinal plant hapo ka campus ka jong i mo dingi jupai ya kata hoi ni dangi dai snai kenu ka jing thau ru mo ka jing thau la long kenu ka jing tei ka judon ru kata ka jing ya bantung pat ki dieng pat ke mo ndi ong bangi pen ni julor lot na dong sedong tinga thai ben chukno yangi kalong ka babakla
la pente ba ya ka plan bat ka jing penwan dor ya ka project la bishar bniaru de ki resham phang na ka Indian Institute of Technology ba na ka National Institute of Technology kala pente pru ba ya ka jing pen he ya ka jing tei jong ka campus ki de ki ba yo jing bet na ka sarkar Meghalaya.
You see, I am not knowing their objective that why they have done our cutting. So certainly I am sure that there is no proper drainage. So once such kind of heavy rain is there, automatically it will flow down. So this water may go, but still I cannot say because the land starting from the Barnihat area till Guwahati is and thousand of hectares of land. And we here at USTM and also the additional land here, I don't think that alone this particular area is responsible. If there is a responsibility or there is a such kind of problem is there, it will be a cumulative effect of all the flow of water in the GS road. So there must be a dialogue, if there is any such problem. But a growing institution and after hard work and lots of people are helping us, growing us, and especially I am very grateful to the local people, the local Keling Road people, Baridua people. They are helping, extending all such kind of, and this institution is growing. When such institution, a very healthy institution is growing up and blaming such a blunt way and without any experiment. Yes, I must agree that there is one project is coming up which is a medical college project. You have also seen practically. Then one side construction is now the construction has come up to the second floor, third floor. The other side we are doing the plantation work. You have seen lots of plantation. We have taken plants from the Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. So these things we are doing, and that's why our 80% coverage of the campus is completely green. And you will not find anywhere a small portion of the land is uncovered. Either it is tree or it is grass. Or you will get pakka area where we have done the kind of this thing. So if there is a rain in the campus, whatever the water is coming out from the drain, it is all clean water.